Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mango app. We click on settings. Here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we search about Mango app and we click here. In this page we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.